Money, something that the entire world is fascinated about, and for most, earning a decent amount of money becomes a crucial part of their stay on this planet. Not that is how it should be, but our education system and upbringing puts all the focus on how one can earn the maximum amount of money. But what happens after we start earning that precious piece of paper? No one talks much about that, and that is where I come in. Hey everyone, how's life? Okay, so maybe I overdid myself in that intro, but what I'm going to talk about in this video is something that is equally understated and something that everyone should be aware about when it comes to managing their finance, and that is investment. Now, sorry to disappoint you if you were expecting something exciting, especially after that world-class intro, but that does not matter, as investing one's money is something that everyone should do, especially after he or she starts earning. So let's get started with the topic. So what do I mean by when I say invest your money? It means put your money somewhere safe where it will multiply or increase itself year over year by a certain percentage. Simple. Now the question comes, where should you put your money? You can obviously keep it hidden someplace in your home, but then that is not a practical solution. Though many still prefer to do that with a different intention, of course, but the most common place we know where we can keep our money are banks, and more specifically savings accounts in banks. So we can keep our money in savings accounts in banks and they will be safe and secure there, right? No problem at all. But you see, there is a problem. Now, you see, the percentage which I talked about earlier, that is the rate at which your money multiplies year over year, it's around 4% in case of a savings account. But there is another element which is continuously degrading your money year over year, irrespective of what you do with it. Whether you keep it somewhere, whether you keep it at your home, no matter where you keep it, your money is degrading year over year because of that element, and that element is called inflation. So what is inflation? Inflation is the rate at which the value of a currency is falling, and consequently the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. So basically what it means is, with this 10 rupees coin, in 2021, say you're able to buy 2 eggs with it. But in 2023, due to inflation, with the same 10 rupees coin, you'll be able to buy only 1 egg with it. So with the same amount of money, you'll be able to buy lesser goods and services as time goes by. And that is the reason the value of your money keeps falling over a period of time. Now, the percentage of inflation is around 5.5 to 6% for India. In fact, as per the recent data released by the government, the inflation figures for the month of May 2021 even breached the 6% level and was recorded at 6.3%. Hence, on one side you have your savings account, which is increasing your money by around 4% year on year, and on the other side you have inflation, which is degrading your money by around 5.5 to 6% year on year. So if you have to see, on a net basis, you're actually losing the value of your money. That is why just keeping your money in your savings account is not something you want. You should be looking for avenues that is able to give you return, which is able to beat that inflation number. And that is when, in true sense, you will be able to multiply or increase your wealth. Now, there are various places where you can put your hard-earned wealth that will give you a return that is greater than inflation. And since I do not want to show off all my knowledge in one single video, that is something which I'll be coming up with the second part of this video. So till then, see you and goodbye. And one more thing, if you like this one, then please drop a like and subscribe. And if you find it worth sharing, please do that as well with others. Thank you and bye-bye.